All right, this is round number 1, 4-box cereal draft picks. 2 over here, 6 over here. Let's make it 8 times. One, 2. What's the tracking say, Tibor? Where's it at? Chris Tay down to Rob D. 8 times. Chris Tay, I held yours. What does the tracking say? What city is it in, Tibor? Unopened at my work. Oh, so it's delivered at your work? I thought you were saying they were by Stagecoach, meaning they were still like 10 cities away. So they're there? You have them? They're just at work? Oh, you got them in. All right, we're going to just number this whole stuff out as we go and see what we get. 5, 3, 3, 5. Derek Carr, 79 on the Spectra. Spectra. Read all about it. 46 of 149, Derek Stingley. 2, 7, 4 on Thibodeau. 6, 7, 3, Kenny Pickett. 9, Nick Bosa. 5, 4, 8. Oh, never mind, that is numbered. Still went to 8 though. 38 of 49. George Pickens, purple. 0, 8. Trying to make sure I check for numbers. 0. Oh, a lot of redemptions in this. Kennedy Brooks, Contender College ticket autograph. Pretty sure that's not numbered, so it'll go cut. We pulled a Contender autograph earlier, and it's no parallel or anything. So card 32, Jacob, that one's yours. Number 8 on the Pickett. 2, 5 on Mac Jones. 8, 3, 104 of 149, Khalil Mack. 104 on that one. Number 4. Yeah, here's another college ticket right here. Pierre Strong. PSG. J is 10. 10 is 0. Rob D. That one's yours. Chris Olave. 10. 2, 1, 5. That's a silver on Gardner. 3, 2, 0. Tyreek Smith, Origins autograph. TSM. M is 13-3. Nick G, that's yours. 0, 9, 7. I'm starting to think for real that by doing this numbering out the way I do it, pull my arm back and forth, that has damaged my rotator cuff. Because it hurts a little bit. Not terrible when I do it, but it doesn't feel correct. 6. I'm wondering after like all these years, the chickens have come home to roost on my shoulder. 9. Jersey of Justin Hebert. He's French. 0, 1, 6, and 5. I don't know. Workman's comp. Remind me, shoot me an email, Tibor. I'll check after this break. I'll see if they still got some. That's one of Dime's favorite products, too. I think he told me. Absolute Baseball. Is that right, Dime? That's one you dig. Dime's like, can't get enough. Ah, I need to try that. Some Aleve and an ice pack. I haven't thought of that yet. Sue the employer. If you work for yourself, can you get workman's comp for yourself? And that's your only employee as yourself? Is that a thing? I've never looked into it, but I'm going to be out for 6 months with shoulder injury. I'm just going to go and need to make what I used to make every week for the next 6 months. Thank you. 7. Oh, I'm going backwards. I forgot. Derrick Henry, 123 of 149. Chris Olave is 8. AJ, 2, 4. Got a Isaiah Spiller, CJ's brother. College ticket purple on card. That's pretty nice. Optic Contenders. 23 of 25. Nick G. That's yours. 7, 4, 9, 2, 1. 42 of 49. Jahan Dotson, 42. 8. Here's a purple select on card color. Jalen Tolbert. Getting a lot of on card color from Optic and Select in this one. Jacob, that one's yours. 22. Russell is 7, 6, 1, 7 on the silver. Kenneth. 5, 0, 2, and David Ojaba. 28 of 99. Jake Soar. You're gonna hear me soar. 3, 4 on those. 2, 8, 1, 9, 3. Garrett Wilson, substantial swatch. GWI. I is 9. Nestor, that one's yours. 6, 4, 9, 3, 5, 5, 7. George Pickens is 2. Oh, that one's numbered 48 of 49. Treylon Burks. 48 on that one. 8, 5, 7, 3, 1, 4. Nick Bosa, 91 of 99. Chris Tay, you get a blue Spectra. Eli, 0. And 18 on the Stafford. Box 3.